Lavender Meadows is a 55 and over active lifestyle manufactured home community.
Maybe you're looking to downsize and come to enjoy this beautiful area of sunny Sequim, Washington. It is a hot spot for a lot of retirees.
It is high recreation. You're close to the mountains, you're close to the water, you're close to the Discovery Trail. We're really in a unique part of Washington, which is the Sunshine Belt. So it's sunny here most days out of the year.
I think Sequim, because it's so sunny, it's a small town, so you still have that small town feel. I think there's a great sense of community in Sequim, and that's one of the reasons people appreciate it out here.
We have 20 homes on site currently, and we have 3 phases, which is expected to take between 3 and 5 years, but we're expecting to have 217 homes by the end of our phase 3.
So Lavender Meadows is going to be a really unique community, not only in the sense of we're brand new construction, but we have so many brand new amenities coming as well.
Some of the amenities we will have are going to be several pocket parks, and we have several dog parks as well. We're also going to have a beautiful clubhouse.
It will be ready in September of this year, 2022. We will have bocce ball courts and pickleball courts. We also will have horseshoe pits and lots of activities to do in the clubhouse.
We have over 3 miles of interior sidewalks for residents to walk on. I could really go on and on.
So when folks come by, they are blown away by the quality of these homes. They are expecting to see manufactured homes as they once were quite a few years ago. And so when they walk in, if they didn't see or know they're walking into a manufactured home, they would never know, because the construction is just gorgeous. Everyone says they're just blown away by the construction, the quality, and just how beautiful these homes are.
So many people that I talk to living in a manufactured housing community and a 55 and over community, they want their house to outlive them. And these houses and the community will do that here in Lavender Meadows. So if you or somebody that you know is interested in Lavender Meadows, please give us a call or stop on site. We are open every single day from 11 to 3, so stop on by, see us, take a look at the community, and take a look at these beautiful houses.